When the cost of basic survival becomes unmanageable through traditional means, the worst thing you can do is isolate yourself in shame. The current housing and cost of living crisis is a systemic failure, not a personal failure. But waiting for the system to fix itself is a losing strategy. To survive and ultimately thrive, you must shift your mindset from passive suffering to active navigation. You must learn how to outsmart the crisis by tapping into creative, alternative resources and hidden local economies that exist right outside your door. There's an entire world of mutual aid, community networks, and non-traditional survival strategies that can dramatically lower your overhead, protect your mental health, and buy you the time you need to build your ultimate freedom. The first micro-realistic tip to outsmart the crisis is the radical utilization of local mutual aid and community share networks. Across almost every city and suburb, groups of people have organized outside of traditional government systems to share resources. Look for local tool libraries where you can borrow expensive repair equipment, heaters, or appliances for free instead of buying them. Seek out community fridges and food sharing networks where local businesses and individuals donate fresh, high-quality ingredients daily with zero questions asked and zero stigma attached. Utilizing these networks is not charity. It is a high-leverage strategic move to minimize your financial leaks. Every dollar you do not spend on groceries or basic household tools is a dollar that stays in your execution fund, building your capacity to escape the trap. The second creative strategy is mastering the skill barter economy. If you are struggling to afford rent or services, remember that cash is not the only currency that holds value. You possess skills, time, and energy that others desperately need. Look into local time banking networks or online community boards where people trade services directly without money changing hands. You can trade digital skills, graphic design, social media management, basic administrative work, or home organization in exchange for reduced room rent, free meals, or professional services like car repairs and legal advice. If you are facing extreme housing stress, look into creative caretaking or house-sitting arrangements. Many property owners, elderly individuals, or traveling professionals are actively searching for reliable, disciplined people to manage their homes, gardens, or pets in exchange for free or heavily subsidized accommodation. By stepping outside the traditional rental market and offering direct, high-leverage value, you can completely eliminate your largest monthly expense. The third tip is the systematic extraction of all available institutional aid. Many people suffer simply because they are too proud or too exhausted to research the help that is legally theirs. Dedicate a specific machine-like block of time to audit every local tenant union, housing charity, and financial advisory service in your area. Many independent nonprofits offer free legal aid to challenge unfair rent hikes, dispute lease clauses, or fast-track utility assistance grants. Lean on these organizations to fight your battles for you so you can keep your mental energy focused entirely on your grind. Connect with local community banks and credit unions, which often offer interest-free emergency loans or low-barrier financial counseling designed to keep individuals stable during economic shifts. Do not let pride freeze your progress. Use every single tool, every network, and every resource available to fortify your position. The world may be going through an economic storm, but you are a calculated survivalist building an unbreakable internal economy. By lowering your expenses through community reliance, bartering your skills, and protecting your peace, you transform this period of crisis into a masterclass in resilience. Stay disciplined, use your resources creatively, and keep executing the plan. You are outsmarting the trap, protecting your momentum, and engineering your way to a high-leverage, independent life.